Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest in must-have products. Today, we are diving into one of the best heat-up lunchboxes on the market, the electric lunchbox food heater. An ultra-convenient and portable solution for anyone who wants to enjoy a hot meal anytime, anywhere. This 3-in-1 electric lunchbox allows you to heat your food without needing to find a microwave. Whether you're at the office, in your car, or on the go, you can simply plug it into your car, truck, or even use it at home. With 3 different voltage options, 12 volts, 24 volts, and 110 volts, this lunchbox is designed to be versatile, making it perfect for all kinds of environments. The heating function is one of its most impressive features. Thanks to the PTC original constant temperature heating technology, this lunchbox offers a low consumption heat cycle that ensures your food stays at the perfect temperature. In just 20 to 30 minutes, your meal is ready, preserving both the flavor and moisture of your food. It's ideal for a quick and satisfying meal without waiting in long lines at the microwave. The design is practical and efficient, with a generous 1.5L stainless steel container and an additional 0.45L compartment to keep your food separate. Whether you're packing soup, pasta, or rice, this lunchbox keeps everything just the way it should be. Plus, it features a leak-proof seal, so you don't have to worry about any mess while you're on the go. But that's not all. This product is made from high-quality, food-grade materials that are safe and durable, including stainless steel and polypropylene. It's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The lunchbox also comes with a sturdy, insulated carry bag, which helps keep your food fresh for hours. Another great feature is its portability. The compact and foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or heading out for a picnic, this electric lunchbox ensures you have a warm meal wherever you are. With a 12 volts, 24 volts car cord and a 110 volts home, office power cord included, you have all the options you need to heat your meal, no matter where you are. Not only does this lunchbox make eating on the go easier, but it also helps save time and effort, letting you enjoy a delicious and warm meal without hassle. It's the perfect solution for anyone tired of cold lunches or dealing with crowded microwaves. Overall, the electric lunchbox food heater is a game-changer for busy people who want convenience, functionality, and quality in their lunchbox. If you're looking for a way to heat up your food quickly and efficiently while on the move, this product should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you liked this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful reviews of the best products on the market. See you in the next one.